Let us begin by trying some kind of a commands if we can. So here we are not using any database management system, but instead we are using some online SQL editor. So our main job is to see if we can run these commands or not. So the database has already been created. So there is no need to create another database. So database is already created. So we will not use the create database command. And the tables that we already have in this list, as you can see right here, this is the list of the tables that have already been created. Okay, so now we will try and create a table named BCA. Let's see if it is possible and whether the commands that we are going to write work or not. Okay, so let us begin by trying to create a table. Create table, name of the table is BCA. So one is the name of the ID of the student, followed by name of the student, followed by, you can say, class of the student, and then followed by the you can say semester of the student. So if we run this command, so you have made the changes in the database. Now let's see on the right hand side whether the changes are available or not. So as you can see on the right hand side in our database, right at the bottom, now we have a table named BCA as well, right? So we already have a table named BCA. So the table has been successfully created, right? So I'll just remove this command and save it somewhere else. So I'll share these commands with you that we are typing. So let's see if this command actually works. So the output part isn't at the moment working. So one is that a basic command has already worked for us. That is create table BCA. The first field is ID, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं is of integer data type. Then you have the name attribute जिसका character data type है, size is 20. Class is a character data type, again 10. Then semester which is integer. तो अब हम क्या करते हैं, इनके ऊपर constraints वर्कआउट कर देखते हैं कि whether or not a certain constraints work. तो इसमें क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले एक प्राइमरी की constraint लगा कर देखते हैं. So let us try and create the ID as the primary key. So we have to change the name of the table because the table already exists. BCA table already exists. So once I run this command, you can see on the right hand side, we also have the BCA1 table. So we have two tables right now with us. One is the BCA table and one is the BCA1 table. Now what is the BCA1 table? BCA1 table actually has a primary key with it, जो कि आपके बेस टेबल के अंदर नहीं थी, BCA टेबल के अंदर नहीं थी. इसी तरह से आप बाकी कॉन्स्ट्रेंट्स भी इसके साथ लगा सकते हैं. स्टूडेंट्स, इफ यू वांट टू सी, दिस इज w3schools.com. आप चाहें तो गूगल के अंदर w3schools.com SQL एडिटर डाल सकते हैं and then you can start typing these commands and all of these commands will actually work. अब हमें थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ना है, तो I'll try कि मैं आपको एक और कमांड जो है वो करवा देता हूं, जिससे आपको थोड़ा सा वर्किंग में इजी हो जाएगा. यू विल बी एबल टू डू सम वर्क ऑन योर ओन. So let us see which command that we are going to learn. So we have already discussed these things. The command that we are going to learn now is the insert command. So I hope this is visible on the screen. The insert command is used to insert the values inside your table. Okay, so insert command is used to insert the values inside the table. The सिंटेक्स फॉर द सेम इज इंसर्ट इनटू. आप कौन से टेबल में इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, गिव द नेम ऑफ द टेबल, इंसर्ट इनटू नेम ऑफ द टेबल, देन स्पेसिफाई द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलम्स जिसके अंदर आप इंसर्शन करना चाहते हैं. So this is required in case if you do not want to insert the values in all the columns. अगर आप सभी कॉलम्स में वैल्यू इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं या सभी एट्रीब्यूट्स में वैल्यू को इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, तो you can simply write insert into table name values followed by the values that you want to insert. थोड़ा सा ध्यान ये रखना है कि जब आप इंटीजर वैल्यू को इंसर्ट करेंगे then you don't have to specify the quotes, but for character values you will have to specify the quotes. आप देख सकते हैं इंटीजर वैल्यू जहां पर आएगी वहां कोट्स यूज नहीं करने पड़ेंगे, अदरवाइज यू विल हैव टू यूज द कोट्स. So let's go back to your online editor once again. Let me share the screen. Students, please type yes